Accessible boarding station and platform system for wheelchair users on DTC buses. 1. Problem statement. Persons with disabilities, especially those using wheelchairs, face major challenges while boarding or alighting from Delhi Transport Corporation (DTC) buses. Most buses are not designed with low floors or suitable ramps, and even when ramps exist, the gap between the bus and the road or footpath often makes it unsafe or impossible for wheelchair users to board independently. This limits mobility, independence, and equal access to public transport. 2. Proposed solution. To solve this issue, a dedicated boarding station and adjustable platform system will be installed at major DTC bus stops. Smart boarding platform, a small elevated platform that aligns perfectly with the height of the bus entrance. It can be manually or automatically adjustable using hydraulic or electric mechanisms depending on bus model and road height. Station module design. Each DTC stop will have a designated, accessible boarding zone, marked with tactile tiles and guiding rails for the visually impaired, including clear signage and voice-based announcements. Bus platform synchronization. When a bus arrives, sensors or RFID tags on the bus communicate with the station system to automatically raise or align the platform. The driver gets a signal indicating a wheelchair user is waiting, ensuring precise stopping. Ramp extension. Optional, a foldable mini ramp can extend from the bus door to the platform for seamless entry. Solar-powered and eco-friendly. The system can be powered by solar panels integrated into the bus stop shelter, making it energy efficient and sustainable. 3. Impact. Enables safe and independent travel for wheelchair users. Improves inclusivity and accessibility in Delhi's public transport. Reduces manual assistance dependency for differently abled commuters. Supports Delhi's goal of becoming a barrier-free city. Promotes eco-friendly design and smart urban mobility solutions. 4. Implementation plan. Phase 1. Pilot installation at 5 major DTC terminals, example Kashmere Gate, Sare Kale Khan. Phase 2. Feedback collection and optimization of platform height and mechanisms. Phase 3. Expansion to all high-traffic bus stops and integration with DTC route data systems. 5. Conclusion. The accessible boarding station and platform system is a practical, scalable, and inclusive innovation aimed at empowering persons with disabilities. By combining smart technology, eco-friendly design, and thoughtful urban planning, this project ensures that public transport in Delhi becomes safer, more equitable, and universally accessible.